Here's good news for non-Krone chopper owners. You too can enjoy all the advantages of running a Krone EasyCollect corn head. Big advantages like superior performance in downed corn, a simple Krone design that requires less horsepower than other heads, and higher quality forage thanks to EasyCollect's exclusive ability to feed the corn in consistently, stock end first, for an accurate, consistent cut. That leads to higher quality forage. Switching to an EasyCollect head is simple. Krone offers conversion kits for many models of John Deere, Claas, and New Holland forage harvesters. What do chopper owners say?
There's a big advantage to the Krone corn head. Well, if you watch it, you can visually see the bottom of the stalk feeding into the machine instead of with competitor.
So the EasyCollect does a great job of feeding almost all of the stalks in butt first, so then we're cutting them sideways across the stalk. We're not cutting anything long ways on the stalk, so we can maintain an excellent length of cut quality there.
Talk to your Krone dealer today about an EasyCollect corn head for your chopper.